Day 29. I'm camping. Clear sky. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. Oil changed, filter changed, coolant change done. Brake fluid change remain. Chain change remain. Rear wheel tire change remain. Lubrication, the cables remained. Valve clearance inspection also remain, which is the most sensitive and tricky part. I'll see. Kind of scared to go inside of the engine. I will see if I have tools, time, and enough courage. I'll maybe go there. So gonna have my tea and start working slowly. Alright guys, maintenance of the bike is not a clean job. That's what you got when you try to do it by yourself. It was hot today, so I got a big tan. And the bike for today, I changed the brake liquid, brake fluid. Was quite couldn't figure out. I got air inside the system many times, so I had to drain the air. So then I had replaced the tire, which is though I tightened the spoke, so probably they just distorted, bended the rim somehow. So I'm gonna look at the rim tomorrow because today is too late. And I changed the chain. It was the headache as well, because the tool that I got for the cutting the chain, it broke, man. So I did it half. So then I had to cut the chain with the hacksaw. Which I bought it for totally different reason, and even another tool that I bought for different reason, even though I use it for that reason, it helped me a lot. If I didn't buy that stuff, I don't know how would I manage, I swear. Anyway, and I didn't have a socket for 27mm to open the nut for the front sprocket. I asked everybody who was available here, who was visible. So I got it in the very end truck over there. There's a guy, he had a lot of stuff, so he got it. So thanks to him, I changed the sprocket front. Anyway, today is finished. I was thinking to depart tomorrow, but I guess not, because I still have to do this balancing of the rim of the wheel. I don't know, but I'll try, because it doesn't look nice. And I have to look at the manual today for the carburetor valve clearance after I'm done washing and I'm done eating. And I will decide tomorrow whether I will do that carburetor clearance cleaning and valve clearance tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to clean myself in the river, wash a little bit with the soap, because I'm super oily and dirty. Very cool, man. Ooh. But that's gonna be very clean, right? Ooh.